What's the timeline on that project?
Plus we have a contract with them that says we only have 100 days to produce this.
They say they want some first half of the year.
It's tight, but it'll work.
At ChemDesign, we have a culture of making chemistry work. We live it. We live it by incorporating our customers into what we do. I get to lead the initiatives to make chemistry work. That means working with some of the best customers in the world to make their products a success and create value. It's success of the project, coming up with better opportunities, better ways to make your molecule.
What sets ChemDesign apart from other external manufacturers, contract manufacturers, are the people. The experience they have and the experience customers have when they get here. When customers come on board and we can get everyone in the conference room looking at the project and the customer recognizes the passion and energy that everyone here has for process development and process integration and the approach that they take to making these things work is what makes the difference. That's really when it connects for us. We feel collaboration on these projects is of vital importance. It helps both organizations define where they want to go, what the criteria are for success, and to better understand the pathway to get to those.
We work with them side by side, and it gives us a chance to collaborate on their methods to come up with solutions to their problems that they may have with their product. You have to be open, you have to be able to communicate and make that contact with your operators, with people in production, with management, from start to finish, from raw material to final product, just by the sheer instrumentation we have, the knowledge in our laboratory, our technicians know what they're looking at, know when things aren't looking like they should, and then communicating that back to the plant or management in order to make that product successful.
There's definitely a lot more collaboration, and there's also a lot of flexibility that doesn't exist in other places. We're able to adapt, and as we come up with a new idea through that collaboration, we're able to put it into place very quickly. There's always communication between the departments, between the chemists, between the engineers, between the operations, between the management. It's a daily basis, it's an hourly basis. We're always discussing whatever we can do to make it better.
Often, the ability to optimize processes can start right at the onset. What ChemDesign will do is monitor the process against what we call our standard. And if we are not able to achieve standard, or even if we are at standard, we look at ways to improve the process. Can we add equipment? Is there a way to engineer something else into the process that might optimize it, which could reduce waste, it could improve yield, and we have a long, good track record of being able to do that.
ChemDesign is a very diverse facility. On one site in Marinette, we have 3 production units. Each of those production units has 12 plus reactors. These reactors are various sizes and configurations, and they can be configured to do almost anything. In this industry, having over 40 reactors in one facility spread across 3 buildings gives us an incredible amount of flexibility and redundancy.
The layout of this facility is conducive to contract manufacturing. It's set up very flexibly. There are stainless steel next to glass, next to solids isolation equipment, next to distillation equipment in each of the buildings. That gives us the ability to run multiple steps of chemistry, isolate a solid, recover the solvent, all in one area.
That interaction between departments, between buildings, between the lab, between the customers, all the groups right here at ChemDesign, our 11-acre facility, is what makes this work.
I've gotten a lot of feedback from other toll customers that we've had on site as to why they pick ChemDesign. Their response is, you guys can react quicker than we can internally. You guys can add assets, capital, faster and cheaper than we can internally. That's typically the make or break point with why a toll customer will bring their product to ChemDesign.
That's what ChemDesign is all about. We have a passion for chemistry. Every customer is important to us.
It's the collaboration of our scientists, our chemists, our engineers, the staff here working with customers to get to the right end game.
Our focus is to make chemistry work. We have a great plant and great people. If you come visit our site, that's what you'll see. We live it, we love it, it's what we do.